Hey guys, welcome to our channel Wizard of Graphics. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix extreme color cast effect. So first of all, go to layer panel, convert into smart object. After that, go to filter and mirror filter. Wait for a moment and choose colorize. Turn on this. Boom, result is quite good, but just is not looking good. Let's fix this. I want to desaturate little bit. There are a lots of presets, you can use it. Let's adjust these settings. Let's fix jeans color. Okay, so click on the jeans and choose color, your desirable color. I want little sand color, little bit sand color. Okay, so hit OK. I want add one more point. Okay, one more there. Jeans color fixed out. Hit OK. Let's try another image. I want to remove color cast. Let's go narrow filter and do the same colorize. Wait for a moment. It is quite good, but same issue with the sweatshirt color. So let's fix this. Add a point and change white color. Add more points. Now change output into smart object, smart filter, and hit OK. Let's try another image. The same, go to filter and mirror filter and colorize. Wait for a moment. Oh, boom, same issue with the trace. So let's fix it. Add a point. I want to add white color point, so you can change any color you want. I want gray color of this dress. Wait for a moment for a good result. Okay, nice result is good. Let's fix this dress color. So I don't want to white color, so let's change it. This color is quite good, little bit lighter. Okay, now add point, maximum point. Hit OK. Now result is super cool. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.